Ma'am, can I
Listen.
read now?
No. Economic impact of the country. Okay. After hundreds of years, Bengal was exporting what different types of trade, that is cotton cloth, grocer, sugar, jute, muslin, yes. And it was a
Yes,
dual policy. They were not paying the taxes. But after that, what happens? After after Nawab of control, yes. At that time, we have to pay the taxes to whom? To Britishers also, yes, no? Yes. So
yes, ma'am.
that's why our Nawab has opposed it. Got it? So after this, the on peasants were unemployed also. And if we were not paying the taxes, then what we were doing? They were punishing and they were sending to jail or lashing it. Yes. But after the
Yes, ma'am.
Villain, what happened? The Dalhousie has started East India First Railway line between Mumbai and Thane. Steamer was started between them, yes, and different roads were there, yes. They are
Yes, ma'am.
situated and developed, that is in Mumbai, Madras, and Kolkata.
Yes.
So start reading from you.
Can I
Ma'am, can I
read?
read? Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
yes.
read?
Economic impact of the company. When we evaluate the 100 years of company rule in India, we realize that India, which had an enviable position in the world in the previous centuries, became merely a country that produces raw material for England and a prospective market for goods produced in factories. Bengal exported cotton, clothes, raw silk, sugar, jute, muslin, 1708 to 1756. But after the dual power policy, the glitter of the economic prosperity of Bengal faded. The dual power policy, Dvimukhi Shasan, was introduced for the
Okay.
first time in
What is
Bengal.
Dvimukhi Shasan? Dvimukhi Shasan is they are just sending to who? Dual policy.
Dvimukhi
Means they
Shasan
are
was introduced for the first time in Bengal, whereby the power of collecting revenue was with the British, while the responsibility of people's welfare was with the Nawab. Thus, the British got the
okay. So
power.
the people has to give to the Nawab also and then to the Britishers. So this is Dvimukhi Shasan. Yes.
Thus, the British got the power without any responsibility, and the Nawab had the responsibility without any power.
So
This
what the
was
Nawab is telling, that Nawab was having the responsibility, but Britishers were not having any responsibility, and then too also we have to give money to the Britishers.
This was known as the subsidiary alliance system, which ruined Bengal economically. The unfair revenue collection policy by the company made the Indian peasant a debtor. The British government imposed unfair taxes on the Indian cloth industries. They adopted various deceitful practices to ruin the prosperous Indian industries, because of which it completely collapsed. The Indian nation became poor and
So this way, the people were becoming Indian people were becoming poor, yes, and they were collapsed, yes, and they were unemployed. Why they were unemployed? Because there was not a they were not having a job due to Britishers, as the Britishers were taking money from the people. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Next.
The artisan became poor and unemployed. The company traders forced the weavers of Bengal to sign contracts for providing definite quantity of cloth in a short period. If the weaver refused, he would be punished by
So
being
if the
lashed.
weaver refuse means what? The merchants those are not giving the money. They are telling you, then they will be punishing or they will be lashed away.
He would be punished by being lashed or jailed. Before the arrival of the company, the Indian villages were self-reliant and prosperous. But under the company rule, they became dependent and poor.
So what happens? self-reliant and prosperously. We were self-reliant. We had to develop everything by ourselves. When Britishers were getting money from us also, they were trading also, they were taking too much of profit. So they were dependent, but we were not dependent. Sorry, we were dependent on Britishers, but they were not dependent on anyone.
During the rule of the East India Company, the first railway line between Mumbai and Thane and steamer service between India and England was started, and development
Yes.
of the ports in
Most
Mumbai,
important MCQ. When it was started and which, between which two?
Mumbai and Thane, and steamer service between India and England was started, and development of the ports in Mumbai, Madras, Chennai, and Kolkata also took place.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was economic impact. Economic impact means related to money. Social impact. Social impact means related to caste system and that all things. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens? Our freedom, we were not having freedom of speech to speak. So we got speech to speak, and we can give it into the development of newspapers that started. Then child marriages, sati system. What is child marriage? In very lower age, the child will be married. Yes.
Yes,
Then sati system. If husband is dead, then what they will do? The women, the woman, she will be buried out. Okay, female infanticide. Then all these things were stopped by the Britishers. So this was the positive impact, no?
yes,
Okay. When English education was started, we were getting free education. So this were the social impacts which company rule has started, and this were for us it was positive impact. Some were negative, some were positive. Okay. Next.
social impact of the company rule. During the British administration, the spirit of freedom of speech and thought developed among people due to the development of newspapers. In the Indian society, certain wrong social customs, riots, and rituals were prevalent during this time, like city system, female infanticide, child marriage, etc. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Durgaram Mehta, Behramji Malbari, etc., were the stalwarts whose role was instrumental in getting the laws passed with the help of Britishers. As the administrative framework in India was Anglicized, there was a demand for people with knowledge of English. English education began to be imparted in India due to Lord Macaulay's endeavours as recommended by Charles Wood.
Charles
Universities
Wood.
Charles Wood. Universities were established in Mumbai, Madras, and Kolkata. A whole class of people with knowledge of English developed because of English education. With the passage of time, this group made demands for social reforms and gave momentum to the
Process of
process of
reform.
reform.
So, what was stopped away? Child marriage, sati system, female infanticide. All these things were stopped away.
Yes,
Raja Ram
ma'am.
Mohan Roy, Durgaram Mehta, Behramji Malbari, these all started stalwarts. Means instrument all the losses and they started. Okay. Then English education was
Yes, ma'am.
started. Universities were established in Mumbai, Madras, and Kolkata by whom? That is Charles Wood. So this we think that vitality, this is a positive influence. Due to that only we got the English language. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what's the conclusion? Finally, the conclusion was what? That British people were too much of positively, they were economically helpful by India in trading. Yes, then our due to this company, our political, economic, social, and cultural effects, some way we got it good effects and some way we got it bad effects. Yes, I have told you that in economic systems we were having bad effect because we had to pay the taxes to Britishers also and to Nawabs also. Yes, so the
Yes.
people were not having money. But in social impacts we have seen that all these things were stopped again. So these were good impacts. Yes, then this
Yes.
policy was important all over India in the administration. Indirectly we were affected, indirectly we were not affected. So this is the conclusion which we have studied. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, started with
Ma'am, now we take the
question.
Conclusion.
No better.
Thus, the East India Company came to India, being allured by the prosperity and trade opportunity. The company rule in India produced certain good and bad results in the political, economic, social, and cultural fields. The company adopted the policy of making England prosperous at the cost of India, and the reforms they made in the administration for their own interests indirectly proved to be beneficial for India.
Beneficial for India. Clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will be discussing the exercise. First of
Okay,
all,
ma'am.
we will be discussing MCQ. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Who discovered the
Vasco
sea
da
route to
Gama.
India? Beta. Slowly, first of all, let me
Vasco da
complete the question
Gama.
and then you after speak the answer. Okay? Who
Okay.
discovered the sea route to India? Columbus, Prince Henry, Vasco da Gama, Bartholomew Dias.
Vasco da Gama.
Okay.
Vasco da Gama.
Then, what Christopher Columbus says what he made?
He found West Indies.
He found
West America.
West Indies. No, America West he has given America. But he has found the island that is West
West
Yes,
Indies.
Indies.
island.
Okay. Next, during which tenure was the Public Works Department established in India? During whose tenure? Sorry? Please mute your mic. Chalo, second answer. During whose tenure was the Public Works Department
Dalhousie.
very good? Which of the following statement is false? Which statement is called Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. The company got a freehold over 24 platanas of Bengal due to Battle of Plassey. The company got the Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa
C.
C.
due to the Battle of Plassey. Sirajudwala was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Plassey.
Number C.
Yes, good. Who became the first Governor General of India?
Warren Hastings. Ma'am, last
Now,
one left.
what are we have done? Sorry. With whom did the British fight the Third Mysore War?
Tipu Sultan.
Very good. Okay. Now, we will move to the answer the following questions briefly. Okay. First question.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
will tell?
Ma'am, if no one will give answer, then I will give answer.
Okay. चलो who will tell first question बेटा? So who will tell? No one. Okay, Mohammed Abbas. Quickly.
Okay, ma'am. Europeans felt the need to disconnect to India because they need the spicy salt, Muslim cloth, the
Muslims.
Muslims because this was
Muslim.
Muslim
Muslim.
muslin because these materials were very much needed in European countries. So the European want to find a new sea route to India.
Very nice. Got it? Why they have a finding new city to India? Because as we were trading between India and Europe, trade was started. Which trade that is muslin, indigo, spices, and all these things. If we do trade,
Yes,
then economically also we will be in problem. So we started finding a new city to India because the Muslim has stopped what they have stopped sea route and land route. Got
road.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Second, okay.
Dalhousie reforms. Dalhousie reforms stopped that child marriage, widow remarriage, sati system. Then train between Mumbai and Thane. Then ports in Mumbai, Madras, Chennai, Kolkata.
Then
Then steamer in Mumbai.
steamer in airports were started, but
Yes, ma'am.
steamers were started in
Mumbai.
ports were started in Madras, Mumbai, and Kolkata,
Yes, ma'am.
and steamers were started for trading. Yes. Third,
The important terms and conditions of the subsidiary alliance system were number one, that you have we will rule in this state. Second, you have to give the food and water and the money to our soldiers, and you have to give good facilities.
what?
Good facilities.
No, in this. What are the important terms and conditions of the subsidiary alliance system? So you have to write this here, beta. Army should be trained by East India Company, yes, in the different states. Then army should be, if they were accepting that army, then if Indian army is only 2,000, then same they have to give to whom? That is to Britishers also. Without the permission, no war or no treaty will be signed. Got it?
Yes,
When in state assembly, one English representative will be also present, and for employment, no foreigners will be appointed. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
So this you have to write it. Clear, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
next, next question.
Okay, ma'am. This states were annexed under the Alexander policy of annexation. The states annexed under Dalhousie's policy of annexation were annexation by war, Punjab, Pego, annexation due to king dying without heir, Satara, Jaipur, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Jhansi, Baghat, Nagpur, annexation on pretext of mismanagement, Awadh, annexation on pretext of debt collection, Nizam's Warat provinces, Annexation to end a namesake rule. Karnataka, Tanjore.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
All the boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this whole chart you have to learn. Yesterday only I told this is most important chart. Chart.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. चलो.
Ma'am,
So now, हाँ बेटा.
we have to draw that map you had given.
No बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Now answer in detail. Battle of
Okay,
Plassey.
ma'am. Give brief information about the Battle of Plassey.
Mama the bus now you don't speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Arsh. Arsh.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो speak first answer. Battle of Plassey. How Battle of Plassey was started?
Battle of Plassey was was in Sirajuddaula was
Beta,
led
I'm
by
not getting your voice and speak
Britishers.
slowly.
The Britishers at Nawab
I'll
Sirajuddaula.
explain you like this. First of all, I will explain you. Afterwards, again you explain it. Okay? So, Battle of Plassey was started when Nawab of Bengal was Sirajuddaula. Yes? Why it was started? Because without the permission of Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddaula, British people, East India Company has established a fortress. So, without the permission of no one, if you are making any war, then but obviously Nawab of Bengal will destroy. So Sirajuddaula has destroyed. Okay? This news reached to Madras in China, where small army, that is Robert Clive, was Robert Clive has sent his team and with the commander-in-chief of Sirajuddaula, that is Mir Jafar and Sheikh Amijad, they have forcefully tell them to join Robert Clive. This way they declare a war in a small village, that is Battle of Plassey, and it was for a half a day. Battlefield of Plassey is situated in Murshidabad, 38 kilometers away in West Bengal. Okay? And Sirajuddaula was defeated, and this way he had taken 24 prisoners. Okay? And it was fought in 1757. Clear? All the was clear. Whose mic is on? Clear, beta?
Yeah, ma'am. Clear.
Battle of Plassey.
Ma'am, वो तो मुझे clear ही.
But I'm asking for other word, beta.
Okay.
Say yes or no.
Clear.
Clear. Can you tell me the answer? I have to take the name central beta. Rehan Magra. Mute your mic, beta. Rehan Magra. Rehan Magra, mute your mic, beta. Nakvi. Nakvi. નકવી. Okay, Mohammed Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Battle of Plassey.
Okay, ma'am. तो मैं ये रीड करूँ कि मैं अपने ओन वर्ड्स में बोलूँ?
Almost नहीं बोला बेटा, तो समझ
ओन
में
वर्ड. Okay, ma'am. The Britishers were not giving the test and made the fortress to protect their fort without the permission of Nawab Sirajuddaulah. Sirajuddaulah destroyed the fortress, and when this news go to the Madras, Chennai, the Robert Clive came leading a small army of the company and reached Bengal in order to help the Kolkata trade center. The East India Company been strong, but they realized that it was not easy to defeat the Nawab, the Sirajuddaulah. So they do the treachery. They talk to Mir Jafar, the commander of chief, and Sid Amitan to join the British East India Company on the and then they will became the Nawab of Bengal. And they both accepted the treachery, and then the battle was fought in the nearby village from
Plassey.
28 kilometers from Murshidabad, West Bengal. The Battle of Plassey was fought on 23rd June 1757 AD. According to the
For
plan,
half a day only.
Mir Jafar lost the battle. Sirajuddaulah defeated due to Robert Clive's treachery. The Battle of Plassey was ended in half a day. The company, the company got the revenue rights to collect revenue from the Nawab of Bengal.
Thus, this way, Battle of Plassey was fought.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, explain the social impact of the company rule in India. Just now only we have learned.
मैम इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल इम्पैक्ट दोनों है.
Yes, economic and then social.
Yes, ma'am.
Economic impact I have explained you that Vimukhi Shasan was started, that is dual policy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as Bengal was exporting cotton, muslin clothes, spices and jute, sugar. Yes,
Yes.
the so Dvimukhi Shasan was started as Britishers were not responsible for our people. But then also they were taking money and they have to pay to Nawab also. Yes. So we were in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
loss. Due to this, our peasants were in debtor. Debtor means they have to pay money, money, money only. We were not getting any money. That's why we became poor and unemployed without job. Then forcefully we have to sign forcefully we have to sign the treaty. If viewers were not giving them money, they were punished by lashing on jailing, yes? And they were self-reliant and prosperous. The company was self-reliant and prosperous, but we were dependent on Britishers. And that time only, East India Company has opened first railway line between Mumbai and Thane. Steamer between India and England was started, and ports were developed in Madras, Kolkata, and Mumbai. Clear?
Yes,
Chalo, who will start? Who will speak this answer? Boys. Mohammed Abbas, you understood.
okay, ma'am. मैम इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट एंड सोशल इम्पैक्ट फुल कंप्लीटली नहीं आता, थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है.
Only economic. only
Economic
12 months.
economic impact of of the company. When the Britishers had rule in India 100 years, then we realized that India was previous in the
In previous century, we were and never that. And we are equal. Means what? That we were not dependent on others. Yes?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We were a prosperity markets for goods produced in factories. Bengal exported. Bengal was exporting cotton, cloth, sugar, jute. But after the dual power policy, the economic prosperity of Bengal faded.
Why it
The
was
the
faded?
Britishers gave all the responsibility to the Nawab, and the Britishers were taking all the money from the Bengal.
Hmm.
The revenue collection policy of the company made the Indian people poor, and the British government were taking taxes from the Indian cloth industries. They
Yes.
were the they were practices to ruin the prosperous Indian industries. Because of this, it is completely collapsed, and the Indian artisan become poor and unemployed. The Britishers take all the work from the one by one. They start taken to the to unemployed the people of Bengal. Then the company traders of the they were telling to the traders that we want uh, this much of material in these days only. If they tell no, they will be left or jailed.
Due to this, we were dependent, but company was self-reliant and prosperous.
Prosperous. But under the
Now
company
social
rule, they became dependent and poor.
Now, social impact. Okay, third answer. Social impact is we got the freedom of speech. We got the spirit to speak. Freedom of
Yes,
speech was given, developed. Newspapers were developed. Sati system, child marriage, human pesticide was destroyed. Okay, this was wrong customs. Yeah?
yes,
It
ma'am.
was destroyed. Rajaram Mohan Roy, Dulgaram Mehta, Behramji Maldari, these all have started passing the laws about with the help of Britishers to stop sati system and that. Then English education was imported by
Yes, ma'am.
due to Lord Macaulay. Charles Wood has started a university in Madras, Kolkata and Mumbai, and due to this many people got the knowledge of English and English education was developed in India. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So some way it is positive rise and some way it is negative effects. चलो social impact को speak. No one? Okay, let's
Okay, ma'am. Social impact of the company rule. In the social impact, the Indians got the right to speak against the sati system, child marriage, female infanticide. The speaker, Rajaram Mohan Roy, Dugaram Mehta, Behramji Malbari, uh, um, tell to the people that this is the wrong social
wrong
customs,
custom.
and we shall not do this.
So
With the
this is
help
with the
of the
help of
Britishers, the child marriage, sati system, and female infanticide were stopped. And in the social impact, uh, the Britishers we demand for the English knowledge, and for and Lord Michael's as recommended by Charles Wood, University were established in Mumbai, Madras, and Kolkata. A
yes.
whole
Due to
class
this
of
in
people with knowledge of English developed of English education. With the passage of time, this group made demands for social reforms.
okay. So this way we have completed our exercise. Okay. I have
Yes,
sent you
ma'am.
notes in the group. Complete your book by
Okay,
Wednesday.